Myself Arjun. I had completed my B.Tech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and now I am pursuing Masters in Electrical Vehicle and Technology in Christ University. I found this course on Decibels Lab LinkedIn page, and the way the course was designed and the course was planned, I was really interested in this course. Previously, I had studied in Christ University in my PU. Christ University has a very good collaboration with industries, and the course needed that. I thought it would be good for me to join Christ University as it engages to students the industry as well. I was very interested in automotive industry, so now the mobility or the automotive systems, the future of automotive systems is electric. So I wanted to pursue something in automotive systems. Decibels Lab has helped me a lot to get that industry experience from the courses that we had. Like, we used to study theory courses in the classes, but Decibels Lab used to conduct some experiments on that, and cell characterization test and the other cell testing, the capacity test, OCV. So we got the hands-on experience on it. The course is well structured and mainly focuses on the future technologies the one should possess to join the industry, and it gives industrial experience as well and the hands-on experience. The overall experience of the course is very good. I have learned many new things in electric vehicle, and it has given me a good, it has narrowed the path of my career. I would recommend this course for whoever is planning to do their masters in automotive systems or electric vehicle.